Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening.
Waalaikumsalam.
My name is Aris Yudhistira Soerman. My student ID number is 192511125. And I'm a student at Binasarana Informatika University. And my majoring is information system.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening. My name is Muhammad Arif Nurani, student ID number 15250043. And I'm a student in Bima Sarana Informatika. I'm from the Informatic Engineering Department.
Here, my friend and I are working on our assignment for meeting 14, project 2, a dialogue on the central government's performance in disaster management in Sumatra. Before we begin, I want to say that I respect the complexity of managing a large-scale disaster like the one in Sumatra. However, I believe it is important to critically evaluate the central government's response rather than simply accepting, accepting official statements.
Agree evaluating the government action is essential for improving future disaster management. Will the central government did response quickly in terms of developing the national disaster management agency? There are still serious questions about coordination and preparedness.
Exactly. Although the government claimed to have acted swiftly, many local residents reported delays in receiving basic necessities such as clean water, food, and medical assistance. This suggests a gap between policy decisions at the national level and implementation on the ground.
That gap highlights a structural issue the central government often release heavily on top-down decision-making, which can slow down emergency responses. Is that is that is that act of empowering local government? The system sometimes create breathing bottleneck.
I couldn't agree more. Another concern is early warning systems. Despite Indonesia's vulner- vulnerability to natural disasters, the warning mechanism in several affected areas were either ineffective or not properly communicated to the public. This failure contribute to higher casualties and losses.
That affling crisis of over we should also acknowledge that the central government has invested in disaster mitigation program over the years. The problem may not be the access of police, but the inconsistency in maintaining and evaluating the system.
True, but having politics without effective monitoring is problematic. For instance, some evacuation routes were poorly maintained, which shows a lack of long-term planning. Disaster management should not focus on not focus only on emergency response, but also on prevention and preparedness.
I agree, I agree, especially when we consider the context of sustainable disaster management. The government to effort so as this long-term recovery like rebuilding resilient infrastructures, and restoring livelihood, raising less attention.
Another issue worth discussing is transparency. Many people questioned how disaster relief funds were allocated. The lack of clear and accessible public information created distrust among victims and civil society organizations.
Yes, transparency is crucial without amplifying through orders. That said, the government did collaborate with hosts and international organization with helping fill some gaps. Still stronger accountability mechanism and are need to ensure I recognize the most vulnerable groups.
Ultimately, I think the central government management of the Sumatra disaster shows both strength and weakness. Rapid mobilization was a positive aspect, but weakness in coordination, communication, and preparedness cannot be ignored.
Agree with that collection of critical evaluation does not meet reasoning the government effort entirely, but recognizing that disaster governance must be more inclusive, deserted, and transparent to record the impact of future disaster.
Exactly. If our lessons from this disaster are taken seriously, they could lead to significant improvement in how Indonesia manage disaster in the future. So that's our conversation dialogue. Uh, so my name is Aris Yudhistira Soerman, and we'll close
And
our
in
assignment about this English. Assalam,
so,
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.